Nice Oxbury.
She wants to be found one way or another.
What do we need to watch for? This is a little steep. I can hear it. We're getting close. Let's get a little closer. We're gonna find it. We'll get a really, really good view. Okay, I'm gonna adventure through the trees a little bit farther, see if I can get another view. I really wish you guys that you could truly feel the power of these falls. It's phenomenal. It's so beautiful. I don't know what it is, but I am so drawn to water. Okay, so I walked around a little more. This tree is going to be my stability over that edge there. Okay, leaning in between two trees. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is amazing. It makes you wonder how much water flows through there. Is there more falls along here?
Maybe the other way, I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a waterfall over this way. I know there is.
I am some little makeshift stairs. I actually like that when they do it places. It feels just a little safer. We're like right up top.
Cool.
Hey, look at that tree. Where's the discoloration? I'm gonna go to the edge. This is such a good angle. Oh. So we get some big. Oh, you are so precious. Ah, keep your eyes up here. Huh. Some of those trees look like a hot dog. The way it's got that bun color around the middle. Yeah.
Huh? I'm game to.
I'm just watching you work while I follow. Actually, a birdhouse on this tree. And it falls off to the boulders. There's some big boulders. Watching the steps. It's almost like a downhill maze. Let's go to the Avenue of Giant Boulders. Ooh, you can hide in there. Someone's shoes. What? How am I gonna go? Glad I got new shoes. You gotta catch up to the others. Fun. It's kind of coming to a clearing. Oh crap. I'm gonna have to go this way. Oh, I gotta show you this. I don't know where the others went. I'm gonna kind of climb up that rock. It doesn't look like much to you guys. Oh, it's really on an angle. I absolutely cannot see where they are. I don't know if I just stay here on this rock, if they have to come back, or if it comes out in other spots. Hallelujah, I found them. I thought I was gonna be lost forever. Oh wow. Where'd it go? Oh wow. That's so crazy.